If you've been wondering how to turn off Privacy Sandbox trials on Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable these ad privacy features step by step on your computer so you can take back a little more control over what Chrome is doing in the background. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, desktop, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the full Chrome settings page, where you can manage privacy, security, appearance, search, and more. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps most of its tracking, cookies, and ad-related controls. Now, on the right side of the screen, look for Privacy Sandbox or Ad Privacy. Depending on your Chrome version, the wording may be slightly different, but it should be in that same general area. Click on it to open the Privacy Sandbox settings. Inside this section, you'll see several options related to ad personalization and measurement. The first one is Ad Topics. Click into that section and toggle the switches to off. This disables Chrome's topic-based ad grouping, which is part of the Privacy Sandbox trial features. After that, go back to Ad Privacy. You can usually use the back arrow or the previous menu to return to the main Privacy Sandbox area. Next, open Site Suggested Ads. Once you're in that section, toggle the switches to off as well. This stops Chrome from allowing site-suggested ad behavior through these Privacy Sandbox controls. After you finish that, go back to Ad Privacy again. Finally, click on Ad Measurement and toggle the switches to off. This is the last major Privacy Sandbox ad-related setting you need to disable. Once all three areas are turned off, you've successfully turned off the Privacy Sandbox trials on Chrome. At this point, you can close the Settings tab, and your changes should be saved automatically. Keep in mind that Chrome may update over time, so if you ever see slightly different labels or menu locations, just look for the same Privacy Sandbox or Ad Privacy section under Privacy and Security. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step browser and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.